Hey there, I just wanted to let everyone know that I'm going to be doing another informational Zoom meeting tomorrow night. It's Thursday night, July 1st already at 8 p.m. Central, and I invite you to join. It's about a total of 1 hour informational meeting. I have about 35 minutes of information that I present, and then I open it up for questions and answers. But I have to tell you that if you have any debt that you're managing in your household, even if you feel like you have a great handle on it, you really need to see this information, because if you are just following the bank's amortizations on your debts, then you are paying the banks a lot more interest than you need to. And I'll show you why, and I'll show you how you can know about a better way and apply it to your household, your small business, or your church. And this is information that we are very passionate about getting out to the masses. My company's been around for 16 years. The original algorithm, because this is a banking algorithm, we've reverse engineered what the banks have been doing for many years when it comes to creating arbitrage and keeping us enslaved to debt. Now for like 30 years when it comes to mortgages, we've reverse engineered this technology, and we have a program that you could utilize in your household with your finances. And even if you have a 3% mortgage, I'm dealing with some people that have a 2.75% mortgage, we can still put you on a program that will save you tens of thousands of dollars of interest. It'll redirect it back into your family's pocket or your business or your church, and it'll be a win for you and for generations to come. Not only that, it compresses the amount of time that you're paying on those loans, so then there's more opportunity to create wealth in your future and have a better retirement, because time you can't get back, right? So who is this program for? It's for anyone who has any kind of debt. And quite often when I talk to people and I ask them if they have any debt, they say, no, I only have a mortgage. And what they don't realize is that a mortgage has been the greatest robber of wealth for the past couple generations, because prior to the Great Depression, mortgages were only 5 to 7 years, and you had to put down about 80%. And so there wasn't all of this long amortization. But then federal government passed the New Deal, it was called, and that enabled banks to have longer amortizations, front load the interest. And it was made for the benefit of our country so that more folks could get into home ownership. However, it gave the banks some new rules to apply to their mortgage product that have really left America's not building generational wealth like we used to in the past. So even if you have, just a mortgage and a car loan and a couple credit cards, and you're making those minimum monthly payments just fine, and you're investing and life is great, I still encourage you to just please take a look, because you're sending a lot of money to the bank unnecessarily. So you don't need to feel strapped for debt in order for this program to be applicable for you. Now, if you are someone that is feeling strapped, as long as you have $1 of discretionary income left over at the end of the month, this is a program that you can qualify for, and there's no credit checks. You don't have to have good credit. It's really for everyone to take a look at. And then as well, if you are an investor-minded individual, if you have multiple mortgages that you're managing, if you want to just build equity faster, this program will help you build equity over 50% faster than the bank's plan. And who wouldn't want that, whether or not you're going to stay in your home long term or not? So regardless of if you have just consumer debt and no mortgage, maybe you're managing student loans and credit cards, it doesn't matter. This algorithm, this financial GPS, can bless your family, give you more money to invest, and compress the amount of time that you're paying off your debt and help you gain equity faster. And I'm not talking about you taking a chunk of money from savings and chunking it down on debt. That's not what this is. This algorithm utilizes every penny coming in and out of your household 24/7 and maximizes the potential of every dollar and helps cancel the most interest mathematically possible. And come join me. Just send me your email address if you'd like to be a part of this Zoom meeting tomorrow night. Come listen, and then I'm sure you'll have questions. And if you decide to proceed, we offer complimentary savings analysis. There's no obligation, there's no cost for us to run this analysis for you and tell you the exact month and year that you could have all of your debts paid off if that's your goal. We'll show you how much faster you could be gaining equity, and we'll also show you how much interest just following this financial GPS algorithm can save you and your family. So send me your email if you'd like to attend. And if you are in financial services, if you are in the mortgage industry, if you are in the insurance industry, I would love to talk to you about partnering with you, because as the trusted advisor for your clients, they will want to hear about this from you. The word is getting out. More and more professional organizations are partnering with us, and we're just able to bless more people that way. So send me your email address, and I hope you can join.